What's going on YouTube? I just thought I'd make a quick video of what we're gonna do tonight. I'm gonna do the cleansing. I haven't done this in about a year. So what I'm gonna do is cleansing with magnesium. I've never had this one. I believe I did the lemon one. And we'll see this one now. I've seen other people do this. This is do it with a 16-ounce cup. I'm gonna do 2 of these. Well, the water bottle is like 16.9 ounces. So we're gonna try this and see what's up. Oh man, this is a moment of truth right here. Oh, it smells like Jolly Rancher. Oh god, here we go. You know what? It's super sweet, but it's not that bad. Oh man, because you got to take like a shot. Whew. Man, okay. I took a big gulp. Jesus. Use it for bowel and cleansing system for surgery and exam preparation. Well, I'm not having none of that, but it's still, I heard it's good to cleanse you out, Especially I recently quit eating fast food, so I have like a week already. It was like before New Year's resolution thing, so I already started early, but I'm pretty sure I still have stuff, Okay, here we go. Jesus. Ah. Oh. It's like sticking your tongue in sugar full of freaking Sour Patch Kids and stuff. I think that's what it's called, the candy. God, Jesus Lord. Whew. Ooh. As you can tell, I'm at work right now chilling. It's gonna be an easy day. Easy 8 hours. So I just thought I'd use these 8 hours, benefit, Because it does say this thing takes about a few hours to fully cleanse your system. So, we'll see. Oh, Jesus. I'm like, I want to say like halfway. A little bit. Nah, not really. The camera didn't tell, but. Oh, man. I'm about to open another bottle. Here we go. Oh. Ooh. Oh, shit. Oh, man. That's a... Ooh. Oh, man, that's a... Oh, that's really, really, really sweet. Ugh. Man. Whew. Gotta open another bottle. Oh, man. Do you have to drink all this? I forgot if you have to drink all this. It's probably a couple more hours before another drugs. Oh, excuse me. Whew. Generally produces bowel movement in half to 6 hours. So 30 to 6 hours. God damn. Well, I got 8 hours, so that's a good window. But fuck. Sorry. I can't, yeah, cause on YouTube and the whole freaking free home. Oh man, I'm just gonna drink the rest of it for you guys, cause I don't know if I'm supposed to drink the rest, but You know? I mean, I've seen people in videos freaking drink 3 of these. Oh, God. So, yeah, 1 bottle gone. Ugh. Oh, almost there. Drinking like a shot. Oh man, it's bring back memories. I haven't drank this in here, but I haven't drank alcohol in 5 years. Gotta drink like a shot, like a tequila. Just down that motherfucker. Again, cussing. And again with the fucking YouTube. There I go again. I gotta practice not to cuss, because this YouTube guidelines and all this. I don't know if that's still even going up. It's been a while since I posted. So, but I'm almost there. Just a little bit more. I'm doing this for you guys. Honestly, if I wasn't recording, I'll probably just do half, but whew, man. Jesus. Come on, one more gulp. So you can see gone. Yeah, still a little bit left, but who fuck counting? Damn it, I didn't stop cussing. There's a little bit, but you guys get the point. Whew, I really can feel it kicking. Oh. Oh, Lord Jesus. Oh, man. Whew. I really feel it coming, man. I really feel freaking my whole stomach feels like a exploding stuff. Mainly the reason I did is because they're saying that there's something I read a long time ago. When you eat fast food, it takes longer for your stomach to digest it. And yeah. So yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys in a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and just chill. I know this is going to hit me in about a couple minutes, maybe half an hour. They say it says for an hour, like 30 minutes to 6 hours. So we shall see what happens. And I'll catch you guys on another video, give you guys an update on how it went. All right, catch you guys later. Bye.